Hello guys, welcome to Mama YouTube channel. Today I am going to cook something better. Okay, let's start.
Okay.
Vegetable soup, one of my favorite. Then I'm going to cook this. Watch. Now bubbles are coming. Oh, this is too hot. Oh my god, this is too hot. Bubbles are coming. Let's cut the package. This is too hot. Bubbles are coming. Let's add this. Now. Wow, my soup is ready. It's stretching ready. Let's go to the end. My soup is ready. Ready to serve this. Soup is ready.
Ready to serve this.
Ready to serve this. Ready. Now it is ready. Let's serve.
Your soup is ready?
Yes, my soup is ready.
Show me your soup. Your soup is ready?
Yes. Let me try. Mmm.
Yummy?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Okay.
Now this cooking is ready. Now my soup is ready. Thank you for watching. Please to subscribe my mama's YouTube channel. Bye bye. See you again.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay then, come.
This is black tea for us. Sugar for sweet.
What are you doing? Sugar for sweet?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, that is enough.
Enough?
Yes.
One more time.
No, enough. Enough, Ma.
Enough.
Okay.
This is okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
Switch off the